Planning your next holiday? Not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to the world of systematic holiday planning. It's not as daunting as it sounds. In fact, it's a fun, rewarding process that can help you craft your dream vacation. We'll guide you through the steps, from deciding on a destination to budgeting and itinerary planning, making sure you're fully prepared for your adventure. So, buckle up as we dive into the first step of planning your dream holiday. Step 1 is all about deciding your dream destination. It's crucial to settle on a location first. This decision should be influenced by your interests, whether that's historical landmarks, lush nature trails, or bustling city life. Your budget also plays a role, as well as any travel restrictions that might be in place. Don't forget to consider the weather conditions too. After all, you wouldn't want a tropical storm ruining your beach getaway. Once you've decided on your destination, it's time to move on to the next step: budgeting. Step 2 is about managing your finances wisely. Crafting a budget is a crucial part of any holiday planning. It sets the boundaries for your expenditures, helping you avoid unwanted financial surprises. Consider different areas such as accommodation, which could range from luxury resorts to cozy homestays. Food, another major expense, can vary based on whether you dine out or cook in. Don't forget transportation, sightseeing, and a bit of shopping. With the budget set, let's tackle the next step: itinerary planning. Step 3 involves planning your itinerary. This is where the magic happens. A well-planned itinerary not only ensures you don't miss out on any must-see sites or experiences, but also helps you manage your time efficiently. Begin by researching the best attractions and activities your destination has to offer. Perhaps there's a world-renowned museum, a breathtaking hike, or a vibrant local market you can't wait to explore. And don't forget about the food. Sampling local cuisines is a joyous part of any travel experience. It's also essential to remember to include rest days, as they allow you to recharge and truly soak in the culture around you. And always leave room for a little spontaneity. Who knows what adventures await? With your itinerary in place, you're nearly ready to pack your bags. That's it. You've successfully planned your holiday. We've journeyed through deciding the destination, budgeting your expenses, and crafting a perfect itinerary. Remember, a well-planned holiday is a stress-free holiday. So go ahead, plan your dream holiday and start packing your bags.